Hey guys, and welcome back to the Miami Stainless YouTube channel. In today's episode, we're going to be giving you a tutorial on how to use your HX50 hand swage tool at home. By the end of this video, I'm confident you will know how to use this hand swage tool to complete your DIY system. This tool is easy to use and suitable for any DIYer. We recommend only using this tool for any system that includes swage terminals. All these products can be purchased online at our website, miamistainless.com.au, or in store. If there are any other products or tools you'd like to see us do a tutorial on, just leave a comment down below. So for this particular system, each component has to go onto the wire before it is swaged and has to go on in a particular order. I like to start with the finishing stop end because it's the most simple. All it is, put the finishing stop with the thread facing outwards onto the wire, just like that, nice and easy. For this end, you have a finishing cap and a thread terminal. The finishing cap must go on first with the more closed end facing inwards. Then when you're putting the thread terminal on, must have the spanner flat facing inwards. That way this can thread onto there and you can forget all about it. The thread must face towards the post. Then you can grab your swage terminals, put it on the end, make sure it is in. Then you're going to need your HX50 hand swage tool. Ensure that it's set to setting 6. Make sure you have a nice sturdy platform to work on. Open it up all the way. Feed your swage terminal onto the wire. Insert it all the way into the lip of the swage terminal. Apply a little bit amount of pressure. Then ensure your wire is all the way at the end of the swage terminal to not throw out the measurement. Press down, and that's your first crimp. Now just move it along slightly to the end of that crimp and do your second crimp. And then lastly, but not least, the third crimp. Now you've completed 3 presses on the wire. Turn the wire around and complete the same actions on the other side. Now that your wire is completed, it's ready to thread into your post system. If you found this video useful, please give us a like or a comment down below. And if there are any other instructional videos or products you'd like to see us do a video on, just leave it in the comments section. Thanks again for joining us, and don't forget to subscribe to Miami Stainless YouTube channel to be notified when next videos are coming out. Thank you.